Good day everyone. Good day Ma'am Yish. Today I will talk about print media. Print media refers to printed materials used to share information with the public. In this include newspaper, magazine, books, brochures, flyers, and journals. Unlike broadcast or digital media, print media is physically printed on paper. One of the most common examples of print media is the newspaper. Newspaper provide news about current events, politics, business, sport, and entertainment. Magazine, on the other hand, usually focus on specific topics such as fashion, health, science, or lifestyle. Books and academic journals are also part of print media and are often used for education and research. Print media plays an important role in society. First is provides details and well-researched information. Articles in print media usually go through editing and fact-checking before publication, making them more reliable. And second is it helps preserve information because written materials can be stored and used for a long time. And third is improves reading and comprehension skills.
Comprehension.
However, print media also has some disadvantage. It can be costly to produce and distribute. It is also slower compared to online media when reporting breaking news. In conclusion, print media remains an important and credible source of information. Even in digital age, books, newspaper, and magazine continue to educate, information, and influence society. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone, good day Ma'am Yish. Today I'm gonna talk about broadcast media. Broadcast media refers to communication channels that transmit information to a large audience through electronic means. The two main types of broadcast media are television and radio. Television delivers both audio and visual contents. It allows people to watch news, education programs, entertainment shows, documentaries, and live events. Because it combines sounds and images, television is very effective in delivering details, information, and capturing attention.